6:59, Thursday, June 19th. We're about to do this burpee challenge. I've seen different versions of them, so we're gonna do all the versions on this channel right here. But for this first 30 days, we're just gonna do the one for the knee up and the jump. We're gonna do 10 sets of 10. And we're gonna take about a 45-second break in between. I've been seeing a lot of the challenges and I've been seeing updates and all that. And I'm like, I wanna be a part of that challenge. I wanna get up in there because I love to work out and do my own thing too. So on this channel right here, in case any of you wanna partake in the, you know what I'm saying, the Navy Seal Burpee challenge, you can come over here with me and we can do them together. Because I'm gonna show you every last one of them versus an update or just do a few of them and cut it. So you gonna see me sweat, struggle, fight through it, you know what I'm saying, spit, all that good stuff. But at the end of the day, after we go through that fire, we're gonna be getting the results we want, you know what I'm saying? Because you know we wanna look good for the summer. Or just because, you know what I mean, you just that type of dude, just a beast like that. For whatever reason or whatever motivation, let's get it. Because I'm right here with you to go through the fire. So we're about to start right now. I got my cards because it's a challenge. You know what I'm saying? You get around in the 60s, the 70s, the 80s, you might mess around and forget count. So we know. Let's get to it. Take our break. On this burpee challenge videos, these videos that I'm gonna be doing myself, editing and uploading myself. So if not on this video, the following ones I have a timer right there. Right now, we just go in perfect action on through and get it cracking. I should already have this. I should already show you. physical and mental. We got it. We halfway through this halftime show, baby. I told you, I'm gonna do every last one with you. We're gonna push through, build our mental strength, build our body strength. Still here, we did it. One day is its own challenge by itself. That's our last one, guys. Last 10. Let's win. Like I said, my apologies. If you're doing a challenge, you're not around nobody that's into that fitness life, or whatever that is, you click through you, and you're ready to get popping and build yourself. I'm right here with you, doing these burpees with you. You know what I'm saying? You're not gonna see no quick updates. No screenshots, none of that. You're just gonna see this blood, sweat, and tears. So this is what it looks like when a person do 100 burpees. They can hardly talk, and they drenched in sweat. You know what I'm saying? So, if you got through this exercise with me, you know you're a beast. You know what I'm saying? And I will pop your collar for you. You know you're a beast. Good stuff. You feel me? So, I'll be back at you again with another one tomorrow. We're gonna stay at this. You know what I'm saying? And then after 30 days, we'll do the different ones. I think they got a set where they go like this. Something like that. You know what I'm saying? And then I've seen other ones. So instead of debating with people, or if something's a Navy Seal Burpee or not, I'm not tripping. We're just gonna do them all. You know what I'm saying? So I'm right here with you. I'm in the trenches with y'all. You know what I mean? And we all learning together. So I'm in the trenches with y'all. You know what I'm saying? Building myself every day. Because like I said, I want to improve and get further on my fitness journey and improve my body like you want to improve your body. So I definitely appreciate you guys doing this Navy Seal Burpee Challenge with me on day one. You know what I'm saying? And we're gonna keep this cracking and we're not gonna stop. You feel me? We're gonna follow law. We're gonna stay disciplined. We're gonna stay motivated. We're gonna get to it. Whatever your reason is to do this, hold that and shoot. Let that fuel you. You know what I'm saying? Whatever your reason is. Your reason don't have to be his reason. His reason don't have to be your reason. As long as you handling your business for this season. You feel me?